Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to send money using the Remitly app. First, log into your app and then select the country where you want to send the money to. Then enter the amount that you want to send, and then the app will show you the exchange rate and transfer fees. Then add the recipient's details and then click on enter their full name exactly as it appears on their ID. Choose how they will receive the money, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on the country. After that, choose the state that you are going to send it to. Then enter the recipient's mobile number, or you could skip the process if you want to. Now you have to enter your details, then your last name, then your date of birth, then enter your address, your apartment suite, city, and all of that. And then once payment is processed, you'll receive the confirmation message, and that's how you send money using the Remitly. Don't forget